Brief, accurate and important news of today's Tuesday. Khalifa Sirajuddin Haqqani, Acting Minister of Interior Affairs, in a gathering with businessmen, doctors and university professors in Uruzgan, asked them to increase their efforts for the welfare of the people. Honorable Haqqani added that the Islamic Emirate is trying with all its might to provide a suitable and reliable environment for businessmen, doctors and university professors. Honorable Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi, the Acting Minister of Foreign Affairs, said in the Government Accountability Program to the nation that we have received assurances from all the countries of the world that they will no longer support the armed opposition in Afghanistan. He added Afghan can solve their problems on their own. The officials of the Supreme Court said in the Government Accountability Program to the nation, in the previous year about 160,000 different warrants have been executed. The officials added in the previous year nearly 3,000 cases related to women in the field of inheritance and property have been resolved. Honorable Mullah Khairullah Khairkhwa, the Acting Minister of Information and Culture, said the previous year educational centers for young people were activated in 14 provinces, where hundreds of young people have been provided education. Officials of the Ministry of Information and Culture told the nation in the Government Accountability Program that in the past year, they have collected 224,608,329 Afghanis in different revenues. Maulavi Ahmadullah Wasiq, the former director of National Radio and Television of Afghanistan, told the nation in the Government Accountability Program, in the past year, the National Radio and Television has prepared 1,821 different radio, television and related programs. Afghan Red Crescent Society says, once again to the Jalris district of Maidan Wardak province, 11 trucks of food aid were sent to the flood-affected families.